Hey YouTube. Okay, so you just got home, you got crutches, and you're probably wondering, how do I navigate around the house and especially up the stairs on crutches? Fear not, I'm gonna try to help you and give you the tips that I used so that I could go up and down the stairs comfortably-ish. So first, before even doing that, make sure that your crutches are set to the right height for you. Your doctor should be helping with that. But basically, it should come comfortably into your armpits, but not make it so uncomfortable that your shoulders are too hunched up. And so basically, I'm gonna pretend I can't put any weight on my left leg and then just go like this. That's how you move around. It's pretty straightforward. You get the hang of it. You can practice this on flat ground. It's not a big deal. You have the stability from the two crutches, so it's not bad. Now, going up the stairs, that's a whole other beast. So if you try to go up the stairs the same way you walk on flat ground, it's just not gonna work. Like, look, you try to do this, it's very awkward, it's unsafe. So what I recommend is you position yourself so that you're facing away from the stairs, your back is to the stairs. And this is a lot easier if you have someone to help you, but basically, or help take the crutches up the stairs wherever you're going. What I would do is I would slowly lower myself down onto the steps and then basically just scoop my butt up the stairs so that I can get up safely. So this is what I would do. This is what I did many times when I was recovering from my ACL surgery. And this is pretty effective. The only thing is you then have to bring your crutches up. So if you have someone to help you, they can just bring it up. If not, just put it to the side and maybe try to just keep dragging it up as you're pushing yourself up. And then now when you get to your desired floor, wherever you are, you have to use a bed or something to then get yourself up to the right level. So imagine a little bench that's about this tall. What I would do is I would get on this bench and then use the crutches to like leverage myself up. But I'll shoot a different video for that piece.